What's good, sneaker family? It's your boy Fabe here, back with another one for you guys. And today, I'm going to show you how to ice up a pair of Foamposite Air Force Ones using that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, these bad boys are a gem. Released back in 2011, so due to age and some wear and tear, they need some work. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the left shoe here. As you can see, it's on the right side, but it's the left shoe. As you can see, there you go. We'll go ahead and work on the left shoe and see what we get. Now the soles are in rough shape, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a nice pre-clean to get rid of that surface dirt. And if you run into a similar situation, you can use any generic cleaner to your liking. I'm currently using a Fabes Sole prototype cleaner that hopefully I'll have coming out in 2023. And here they are after a nice pre-clean. As you can see, that surface dirt was pretty rough there, but we got that out. But the soles are still yellowed, so we're going to go ahead and take our Fabes Sole Sauce to start that deoxidation process. And to kick things off, of course, you're going to want to take your bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to that affected area only. Now on these bad boys, that happens to be the entire sole, including the midsole as well. So go ahead, take your Fabes Sole Sauce, apply a nice layer there, and then go ahead and take a paintbrush and smooth it in evenly. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to hit that midsole area. It's the part of the shoe that sticks out the most when you wear it. So you want to make sure you hit all surface areas of that midsole, including the heels and the toe caps. Now, also on this pair, it happens to be part of the shoe that's yellowed the most. So yeah, you want to make sure you target those areas and don't forget them. And once you got a nice even coat of sauce on your soles there, you're ready to move on to the next most important step. And that is to cover the soles with a clear wrap. Now, as you can see here, I like to use two pieces and have them meet in the middle to give it a nice tight seal. And what that does, it allows the sauce to stay nice and moist on the soles, which allows for a longer, more effective session. After that, you'll simply want to place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now, if you do have a UV light, you can go ahead and extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight in a single session. After your session is over, simply remove the clear wrap, and then you want to give your soles a thorough cleaning using some soap, water, and a little elbow grease. And as you can see here, I like to give it a pre-rinse before I give it a deep clean. And here are the results after just one session at 48 hours in that single session. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, they are significantly better. Those midsoles are icy. And as I get them lined up here, you can significantly see where they are from where they were. Icy blue. Now, some people will stop here and they'll be ready to go. But these are for a customer. And you know me, I like that Fabes Sole Spit Shine. And I'm going to try to get those blemishes out of the heel and the toe cap area there and around the side. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with another session or two and see what I get. Now here they were after just one session at 48 hours. Here they go after two sessions at 48 hours each session. And here they go after just 3 sessions at 48 hours each session, totaling 144 hours of treatment time. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we got them back to near factory perfection. We got some slight blemishes in the heels and the toe caps there, but as you can see, significantly better. Now, if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, for I'll have plenty more videos to come, as well as doing live stream giveaways. And if you're looking to grab a bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce, you can grab your bottle at www.fabesole.com. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.